how to customize iPhone lock screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Do you want to make your iPhone lock screen look amazing and more personal? In this video, I'll show you how to customize your iPhone lock screen with wallpapers, widgets, fonts, colors, and more. First, you need to head over to settings. Then you can go to wallpaper, and there you can add a new one or customize your existing one. You just need to tap on customize, and then once you're there, you can see add widgets option. You can tap on it and add widgets of your choice. You can add weather, Chrome, social media apps like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You can also put in calendar. And like this, you can set up widgets. And now if you want to change the font of the date and time, just press and hold on it. And then you can see various fonts. You can see colors that you can choose from. Just choose the one of your choice. You can do the same with date by tapping on it. And then you can see three dots. Just tap on it. And then that's it. It's done. So that's how you customize your lock screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.